There are three papillary muscles, each paired with the valve cusps it protects. The anterior papillary muscle, the largest, springs from the front wall of the ventricle and sends its cords to the anterior and posterior cusps. The posterior papillary muscle, smaller and sometimes divided, arises from the inferior wall and attaches to the posterior and septal cusps. The septal papillary muscle rises directly from the interventricular septum, sending its tendons to the anterior and septal cusps. This interventricular septum, or IVS, is the strong wall that divides the right and left ventricles. It has two parts, a thick muscular portion and a small, thin, membranous part at the top, which also forms part of the fibrous skeleton of the heart. Because the left ventricle pumps at far higher pressure, the septum bulges toward the right ventricle, a subtle but constant reminder of the power imbalance between the two sides. Running through the right ventricle is a unique muscular bridge, the septomarginal trabecula, also called the moderator band. It stretches from the interventricular septum to the base of the anterior papillary muscle. It's not just a support beam, it's an electrical shortcut. It carries part of the right bundle branch of the conduction system, ensuring the anterior papillary muscle contracts in perfect synchrony with the rest of the ventricle. Blood enters the ventricle from behind, and as it contracts, the flow sweeps forward, upward, and to the left. A smooth U-shaped path that bends about 140 degrees from inflow to outflow. The supraventricular crest guides this motion, redirecting blood from the inflow region into the conus arteriosus and onward to the pulmonary valve, which opens into the pulmonary trunk at the level of the left third costal cartilage. Every beat begins with the tricuspid valve opening, blood rushing from the right atrium into the right ventricle, the cusps parting gently like curtains. Then, as the ventricle contracts, the valve slams shut and the blood is thrust upward through the pulmonary valve, racing toward the lungs to release its carbon dioxide and claim its oxygen. The right ventricle, the sculpted chamber of force and flow, the gateway between dark venous blood and bright arterial life.